Hello everyone, how's it going? This is your man TJ Singh right here. So guys, in this video we will be doing the unboxing and the overview for the GoPro Hero 7 White, the official India product. You can see the badging as well. So without any further ado guys, let us jump right into it. So guys, I bought this from Chroma India's offline store for 16,200 Indian rupees. And this is guys the front of the box. You can see the GoPro itself. On the other side you can see the stuff that you're going to find inside of the box. And on the back you can see that we have the 1-year extended warranty. So it will be making it a 2-year warranty for this GoPro. And on the other side you will be seeing that this is a 10 megapixel camera which shoots 1080p 60 video, water resistant up to 10 meters. It has voice recognition, touchscreen and 2x slow motion. So guys, without any further ado, let us do the unboxing of this product. So I'll just peel the plastic off. So guys, please forgive the background noises. I just cannot really help it out with the background noises. So guys, first of all, as you can see, I have 1-year extended warranty. I will have to register this on this website. And this is the terms and conditions. So we'll just keep it aside. So this is the box. So to peel it off, I have to remove this. So now the box is opened. So I'll just bring it out. So the camera will come off like this and this will remain like this. This is our GoPro Hero 7 White. This is on the mount as you can see. But first of all, so they have shown us how to remove the GoPro from the mount. As you can see, there's a remove button as well. So before removing the GoPro, we will be just seeing what is inside of this box. So guys, first of all, we have the GoPro. They have shown how to open this GoPro and the casing from the GoPro and how to use the mounts. So this is the damage replacement. They have told you how to do the cloud storage as well. So these are the GoPro stickers. You got 2 of them. Apart from it guys, you have the user manual. If you don't know how to use the GoPro, you can go through the user manual. And by the way guys, this is the first action camera of my life, so I will be also seeing how to do this. So these are the mounts. This is mount number 1, and then this is mount number 2. So guys, this is the USB type C for charging and syncing, which is good. And let me see if there's any other thing in the box. So guys, nothing else is there in the box, so I will be just keeping them back inside. So guys, in order to remove the GoPro from here, what I have to do is just first of all I have to remove this lid, and then I have to press this like this, and yes, the GoPro will come out like this. So this is the mount. I'll have to see if I can use it or not. So guys, this is the GoPro Hero 7 White, the official India product. This is the back. So guys, in order to remove this casing, what you have to do is just lift it from the top like this. It's a little hard to do, but you will have to apply some force. And then you have to lift it from the back like this. And then this casing will come out like this. And then now you can take out the GoPro from the casing out like this. So we will be just putting this casing aside for the moment. So guys, let me just remove the protective screen from the back of this touchscreen like this. You can just take it off. So guys, this is the front of the GoPro Hero 7 White. You can see the 10 megapixel lens and the GoPro Hero branding. Plus this is the red blink light which blinks with several functions. And on the top guys, you can see the power on and off button for this GoPro, and on the back you can see the 2 inches touchscreen with the GoPro branding right here. And on the other side you can see this mode button to change the modes in the GoPro, and you can see the microphone as well. And on the bottom guys, you can see the speaker. So guys, this is the other side of the Hero 7 White, and you can see the 7 White branding over there. So guys, in order to open this lid, what you have to do is just press this button and push it downwards like this, and then with the force you will have to lift it up. You can see the rubber gasket so that it remains water resistant right out of the box. You don't need any water case. So guys, you can see you have the USB type C for charging and syncing of this GoPro, plus you have the micro SD card slot right here. And in order to close this up, what you have to do is just put it down like this, and you have to press this button and you have to push it upwards like this, and it closes. So guys, this is pretty much it for this unboxing and overview of this GoPro Hero 7 White official India product. So guys, I will be making more GoPro Hero 7 White videos very soon on my channel, so do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and those videos that will be coming with this GoPro Hero 7 White. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this quick unboxing. I hope you really like this video. Do share this video with your friends guys, and I'll be catching you in the next one guys. Till then, take care.